What's up guys, welcome to the next video in the SEO, social media, and traffic generation course. In this video I'll be showing you how to cloak your links. What cloaking your links means is that you take a long link and make it shorter on your domain. So basically when you're trying to promote an affiliate product or something of that sort, the link you get will be super long, and ugly with a whole bunch of numbers at the end, and you don't really want to show that to your customers. So what a link cloaker does is takes that and you input this into a link cloaker, and then it iframes that same link onto your site with a much better looking link that's on your website. And I know it sounds complicated right now, but I'll show you an example of it right now. So the first thing you want to do is you have to do this to WordPress, and the plugin is called Simple Link Cloaker. So you want to go ahead, log into WordPress, and search for Simple Link Cloaker in the plugin section. And search, and then install, then activate. And you should have a little extra tab for your plugin on the left hand side called Simple Link Cloaker. Go ahead and click on that, and then add a link, and the name would be whatever you want to call it, just test link. So the slug would be is basically this right here. The slug would be link 1, so test. So when you input your affiliate offer into here and then you send them to this link, which would be graffititest.com/visit/test, it'll go to where you want it to be redirected. And let's say Google. Let's say our URL is google.com. Usually it won't be this short. It'd be a URL that you want to promote, like an affiliate link. Affiliate links are notorious to be huge, like with numbers and everything. You want to kind of hide this and make it a little prettier. 301 redirect is fine. Click on add, and then this is the result. This is the link that you made. So this is a link on your domain, so you click on that, and let's say you direct a visitor. This is exactly what they'll go through. My internet's slow, sorry about that. I don't know exactly what's going on with my internet. Sorry about that guys. The other plugin I was using currently does not work with the latest version of WordPress. I've been used to using that on my old WordPress sites, but I don't know why it's not working in the latest version. So another one you can install is Wizard Cloak. This is the second best one that I personally used. With WP Wizard Cloak, you just install and activate the plugin as usual, and once you do that, you'll see a little, like a tab on the left hand side called Wizard Cloak. You click on that, Wizard Cloak, and then you create a link, and then the link name will do test1, and then the slug, this is what you want to send your traffic to. This is the URL that you want to redirect. So graffititest.com/redirect, and then this is the destination. You can also edit your destination for geographic location, but for now we're just going to leave that. Save as link, and then you click on save link. So when people, this is the cloaked URL you just made. So when people go to this link right here, it'll go redirect to Google automatically. So if you search that, automatically redirects to Google. And you can do this for an affiliate link. What you would do is edit it so that your affiliate link is right here, so that it automatically redirects your affiliate offer when people go to that link, and makes it a lot easier and visually aesthetic, and makes it higher conversion. That's it for this video guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.